Hello and welcome everybody on the YouTube, and in today's episode we have Gios Evolution and Gios Evolution. This bike is fully restored to original condition as left the Gios workshop in 80s. It's built with period correct parts with few exemption with modern parts. So, shall we start it? Characteristics for Gios head badge, riveted to the frame with Italian flag. Front brake Santor Superb Pro. Cockpit is 3T podium handlebar and 3T quill. Vintage cat-eye psychocomputer Vectra 7000. And those brake levers, they are modern by TRP, but they look very stylish, and in my opinion they matching to the vintage style of the bike. Handlebar tape is black leather look. The frame is of course steel and fork is steel. Everything is chrome plated with lovely details all around. Wheels are built with Mavic Open Pro rims and vintage Campagnolo high flange hubs. Front one is laced like this, and rear one is laced with 3 crosses. The frame is chrome plated all around, so Misha seat post and Sella Italia Storica saddle. Bottle cages, they are black one by Elite. Drivetrain is Santor Superb Pro. Superb Pro crankset 172.5 length. It's 52 by 39. Front mech is of course Santor Superb Pro. Superb Pro rear brake. Santor Superb Pro rear mech. Adjustable rear wheel fittings from both sides. The chain and sprocket freewheel is from my old Zax. And Santor Superb Pro shifters. What is the ride on this bike? The bike is very smooth to ride. It's not particularly heavy. I'm very glad to have this Gios. I use them from time to time, this bike, cycling to work when the weather is nice. And let's have a look at the second Gios. Same head badge by Gios with Italian colors, stars and Olympic rings. The plan for this bike is to keep the original paintwork, maybe do it some slightly touch-ups and refreshing, but I just don't want to respray this frame. I want to keep it as it is. The long-term plan for this green bike is I would like to go to La Eroica in Italy with this Gios and take a ride over there. I'm very happy to have them both in the garden. 2 Gios Evolution. I hope you like it. I'm a great lover of Italian steel bikes. I like the feeling of the steel, and I really like riding and cycling on steel racing bikes. Please like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next episode. Happy cycling!